Hi, this week on Facebook our theme is going to be all around the nursery rhyme Incy Wincy Spider. So to start us off this week, I am going to talk to you about firstly objects of reference with your child for Incy Wincy Spider. I will also show you the Makaton sign for spider, so you can use that as well. And for anybody that's using picture exchange with their children, at the end I will just show you a quick picture that I use for Incy Wincy Spider. So firstly, object of reference. So this is something that we use it quite often in our singing bags, and we use it also for routine things. So it's showing the child an object that represents the activity that's coming next. So for instance, brushing teeth, you might show them a toothbrush. Well, for Incy Wincy Spider, we would probably have a symbolic spider in our song bag. Now, in my actual song bag that I use, this is the spider I have. He's a very cute little fluffy pre-made spider. So I would take him out of the song bag, or if the child was to choose that one, I'd go, oh, Spider, Incy Wincy Spider. And then we would sing the song Incy Wincy Spider. Now, you may not have a pre-made spider like this at home. It doesn't have to be a cute fluffy one. If you've got one of those little plastic spiders that children sometimes get in toy packs, anything like that would be fine. But if you don't have something like that, I've got a couple of really quick ideas on ways you could make your own object of reference, potentially with stuff you've probably just got at home. So the basics you'd need is something round. So you could either use a child's ball, you could even use a little ring from a toy, or if you've got any little pom-poms or anything kicking around in a craft box anywhere, anything like that, just something for the body of the spider. Then for the legs of the spider, again, you might have a few pipe cleaners kicking around from crafts you've done. They don't have to be black, they can be any colour. It doesn't have to be a black spider. Or little bits of ribbon or string, again for the legs, just something to stick on just to represent the legs of the spider. So I very quickly had an attempt, a very poor attempt I will admit, but my legs are not very clear, of making this one with a little ring. So I've just sort of stuck some bits of ribbon on for the legs. So you've got the body, so that's spider, so you could use that. I've also done one with a pom-pom and pipe cleaners. So again, just cut the pipe cleaners, twisted them together, stuck them to the base of the pom-pom with a bit of sellotape, and there you have your spider. And as long as you're using that same object each time you sing the song or do anything to do with spider, Incy Wincy Spider, then your child will start to recognise that as the object for the activity coming up. So again, for instance, with something like this, I might go, oh, Spider, Incy Wincy Spider, and then we'd sing the song. So that's a very simple way you can make yourself an object of reference if you don't already have one at home. Next up, the Makaton sign for spider. Really easy. We take our hand, we put it on like a claw thing, like a little spider, hold it up, then you just wiggle your fingers like the legs and slowly move your hand down like a spider coming down a web. So that would be spider. Okay, so if you're using it to indicate the song, you'd be, oh, let's sing Incy Wincy Spider. So it can be used for that purpose as well. And lastly, just a very quick look, if your child is using pictures, then all I've done for my singing bag for pictures is have a picture of a spider with the name Incy Wincy Spider on it, and again it would be showing them and saying, oh, Spider, Incy Wincy Spider, and then we'd sing the song. So that gives you a wide range of ways to communicate to your child that the activity that's coming up is either the song Incy Wincy Spider, or maybe some activity to do with Incy Wincy Spider that includes the song, and hopefully that'll get you all set for some of the activities we put on this week.